Come tour one of the top room categories at Sandals South Coast, a Rondoval Suite. Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm a travel advisor who specializes in all sandals and beaches resort vacation. When you book your vacation through me, you'll receive my complimentary concierge vacation planning services. And be sure to check out the caption below where you'll find my contact information so we can start planning your dream vacation together. And freebie alert, you can also grab my free Caribbean resort packing list in the caption below. The Rondoval Suites are private and secluded. When you walk into this spacious, rounded suite, you're greeted with a large, open living area with a table for two, seating area, and a king bed. Right off your room, you have access to your private pool. Behind the main living space is the huge bathroom with a double-sided vanity, soaking tub for two, and a large walk-in shower. You can actually walk out through your shower to get to your private pool, where there is also an outdoor shower. The door off the living area takes you to your patio and shared Rondoval River pool. And one of the best perks of these gorgeous, luxurious rooms is they come with butler service. Your butlers will truly elevate your experience by meeting your needs and going above and beyond your expectations. Did this Rondoval Suite just get added to your bucket list? If so, I'm here to help. Thanks for taking the tour of the Rondoval Suite at Sandals South Coast. If you're planning a Caribbean vacation, I would love the opportunity to help curate the perfect vacation for you. Don't forget to check out the caption below for all the helpful links.